Hello friends, welcome to Easy Learn. Today in this video we are going to see Standard 8 Maths Chapter 2 Parallel Lines and the Transversal Practice Set 2.1. If you like this, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. So let's just begin. What are parallel lines? Lines that do not intersect each other and lie in the same plane are called parallel lines. You have two lines over here, line L and M. So here line L and line M are called parallel lines. They are written as line L parallel to line M. Transversal. A line that intersects two given lines into distinct points is called the transversal of those two lines. Here line X is called the transversal of line L and line M. Angles made by a transversal. If a line intersects two lines at two different points, then 8 angles are formed. These angles are grouped in pair of angles as shown according to the alphabets. What are corresponding angles? If the arms on the transversal of the pair of angles are in the same direction and the other arms are on the same side of the transversal, then it is called a pair of corresponding angles. In the figure, angle AMP and angle MNR are corresponding angles. Angle PMN and angle RNT are corresponding angles. Similarly, angle AMQ and angle MNS, angle QMN and angle SNT. Pair of corresponding angles. There are 4 pair of corresponding angles. If you see in the diagram, different colors are been shown to indicate different corresponding angles. So angle A and angle E is shown in red color, angle D and angle G, angle B and angle F, and angle C and angle H. So total there are 4 pairs of corresponding. What are interior angles? A pair of angles which are on the same side of the transversal and inside the given lines is called a pair of interior angles. In this diagram you have 2 pair of interior angles, angle PMN and angle MNR, angle QMN and angle MNS. Pair of interior angles. The 2 pair of interior angles are angle D and angle E, angle C and angle F, and the sum of the interior angles is supplementary, that is 180 degree. So if line L is parallel to line M, then measure angle D plus measure angle E is equal to 180 degree and measure angle C plus measure angle F is equal to 180 degree. What are alternate angles? Pairs of angles which are on the opposite side of a transversal and their arms on the transversal show opposite directions is called a pair of alternate angles. There are 2 types of alternate angles: interior alternate angles and exterior alternate angles. So your interior alternate angles means the angles at the inner side of the lines, that is angle PMN and angle MNS, and angle QMN and angle RNM. Exterior angles mean the angles at the outer side of the angles, that is angle AMP, angle TNS, angle AMQ and angle RNT. Pair of alternate angles. There are 4 pair of alternate angles, that is interior angles, exterior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles are D and F, and second is angle C and angle E. Exterior alternate angles, angle A, angle G, and angle B and angle H. And if line L is parallel to line M, then angle D is congruent to angle F, angle C is congruent to angle E, angle A is congruent to angle G, and angle B is congruent to angle H. Now practice set 2.1. In the adjoining figure, each angle is shown by a letter. Fill in the boxes with the help of the figures. So first is corresponding angles. So angle P will correspond to angle W, angle Q will correspond to angle X, angle R will correspond to angle Y, and angle S will correspond to angle Z. Next, interior alternate angles. Angle S will correspond to angle X and angle W will correspond to angle R. Observe the angles shown in the figure and write the following pair of angles. First, interior alternate angles. So angle B and angle H, angle C and angle E. Second, corresponding angles. Angle A with angle E, angle B and angle F, angle D and angle H, and angle C and angle G. Third, interior angles. Angle B and angle E, angle C and angle H.